5 ways to eat healthy 7 days a week. Hey there, food lovers and wellness seekers. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that will not only tantalize your taste buds but also keep you feeling fantastic 7 days a week? We're about to unveil the top secrets for eating healthy, no matter how busy your schedule is or what life throws your way. So, grab a seat at our virtual table and let's dive into 5 ways to eat healthy 7 days a week. 1. Plan your meals ahead. Our first trick is all about the power of planning. By preparing your meals ahead of time, you're setting yourself up for a week of success. Spend a few hours on a free day to batch cook your favorite dishes. This way, you'll have wholesome, homemade meals ready to grab and go, no matter how hectic your weekdays get. 2. Keep healthy snacks handy. Now, let's talk about tip number 2. Keeping healthy snacks within arm's reach. Swap out those vending machine chips for nuts, fresh fruit, or Greek yogurt. When you're armed with these nutritious nibbles, you'll be less tempted to reach for the not-so-healthy options. 3. Embrace variety in your diet. Moving on to tip number 3. It's all about embracing variety in your diet. Don't get stuck in a food rut. Try new recipes, experiment with different vegetables, and get creative with your cooking. A diverse diet not only keeps things interesting but also ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients. 4. Portion control. Tip number 4 is a game changer, portion control. It's all too easy to overindulge, but by paying attention to portion sizes, you can enjoy your favorite foods without overdoing it. 5. Drink more water. Last but not least, tip number 5, drink more water. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. Staying hydrated can help curb unnecessary snacking and keep your energy levels up. Conclusion. And there you have it, our 5 fabulous tips for eating healthy every single day of the week. So, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone looking to improve their eating habits, these strategies will keep you on track. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key to healthy eating is making it enjoyable and sustainable.